Dear students, today we are going to see 7th standard first term. First termல physics measurement chapter பார்க்க போகிறோம். book back answersலாம் அதில் வந்துட்டு இப்போ first choose the best answer. Which of the following is the derived quantity? Mass, time, area, length. Area. Which of the following is correct? 1 liter equal to 1 cc. cc நான் வந்துட்டு cubic centimeter மா. 1 liter equal to 10 cc. 1 liter equal to 100 cc. 1 liter equal to 1000 cc. Answer பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 liter equal to 1000 cc. SI unit of density is என்னதுன்னா kg by meter square, kg by meter cube, kg by meter, gram by meter cube. Answer பார்த்தீங்கன்னா kg by meter square. Two spheres have mass and volume in the ratio 2:1. The ratio of the density is 2:1. Answer. Light year is the unit of distance. இப்போ next second exercise, fill in the blanks. Volume of irregularly shaped objects are measured using the law of Archimedes. Next, 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. அப்போது இது சிசி அதான் சொன்னல சிசி வந்துட்டு cubic centimeter சிசினா density of mercury is 13,600 kg by meter cube. One astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 power of 11 m. The area of a leaf can be measured using a graph sheet. Third exercise, say true or false. The region covered by the boundary of a plane is called its volume. False. ஏன்னா the region covered by the boundary of the plane figure is called its area. Answer வந்து இதுக்கு area. So இது வந்துட்டு first true or false வந்து false. Volume of a liquid can be found using measuring containers. Answer வந்து true. Water is denser than kerosene. True. A ball of iron floats in mercury. True. Next, a substance which contains less number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. Actually answer இதுக்கு false. ஏன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா a substance which contain more number of இது வந்து less number கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஆக்சுவலாக இது வந்து answer more number of molecules per unit of its said to be denser. அதனால் fifth true or false வந்துட்டு false. Move on to next exercise. Match the following items. Area meter square, distance light year, density kg by meter square, volume meter cube, mass kg, area plane figures, length rope, density gram by centimeter cube, volume measuring jar, mass amount of a substance. Next exercise பார்த்தீங்கன்னா arrange the following in correct sequence. First என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 1 liter 100 cc 10 liter 10 cc. ஆக்சுவலி இது எப்படி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுதணும்னா 10 cc 100 cc 1 liter 10 liter. Next copper, aluminium, gold, iron, aluminium, iron, copper, finally gold. Next, sixth exercise, use the analogy to fill in the blanks. Area meter square, அப்போ வால்யூம்க்கு மீட்டர் கியூப், லிக்விட் லிட்டர், சாலிட்க்கு கிலோகிராம் கேஜி, வாட்டர் கெரோசின், அப்போது அலுமினியத்துக்கு அலுமினியம் அயன். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அசர்ஷனில் consider the following statements and choose the correct option. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. அப்புறம் C1 வந்துட்டு assertion is true but reason is false. D1, assertion is false but reason is true. First one, assertion, volume of a stone is found using a measuring cylinder. Reason பார்த்தீங்கன்னா stone is an irregularly shaped object. Answer இதுக்கு வந்துட்டு A. Both assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next, assertion, second one, assertion, wood floats in water. Reason, water is a transparent liquid. Answer வந்துட்டு B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third one, assertion, iron ball sinks in water. Reason வந்துட்டு water is denser than iron. அதே answer again B தான். Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. First oneக்கு A answer, second oneக்கு B answer, third oneக்கு B. Again நம்ம answer very briefly. 8th exercise வந்தாச்சு. One word answers. Name some of the derived quantities. Area, volume, speed, electric charge, density, etc. Give the value of 1 light year. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power of 15 m. Write down the formula used to find the volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder equal to pi r square h. Give the formula to find the density of objects. Density equal to mass by volume. Name the liquid in which an iron ball sinks. Water. Name the units used to measure the distance between celestial objects. Astronomical unit AU, apro light year. What is the density of gold? Density of gold is nothing but 19,300 kg by meter cube. Next, 8th exercise over. இப்போ next answer in briefly. First question, what are derived quantities? All the other physical quantities which can be obtained by multiplying, dividing or by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Example, area, volume, etc. Distinguish between the volume of a liquid and capacity of a container. Volume of liquid and capacity of a container, difference between கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The volume of a liquid is equal. The maximum volume of liquid that a container can hold is known as the capacity of the container. Second point, it is measured in cubic units. It is measured in liters, gallons, etc. etc. Third question, define the density of objects. Density of objects is defined as the mass of the substance contained in one volume 1 meter cube. Density D equal to mass M divided by volume V. Next, fourth, what is 1 light year? The one light year is defined as the distance travelled by light in vacuum during the period of 1 year. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power of 15 meter. Next, fifth question. Define astronomical unit. One astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun. One AU astronomical unit தான் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, equal to 1.496 into 10 power of 11 m. Next, answer in a detail. Describe the graphical method to find the area of an irregularly shaped plane figure. Actually detail உங்கள் மிஸ் எத்தனை பாயிண்ட் தராங்கன்றதை நீங்கள் வந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணி படிச்சுக்கோங்க. First point, take a leaf, irregular shape from any one of the trees. Place the leaf on a graph sheet and draw the outline of the leaf with a pencil. Remove the leaf. You can see the outline of the leaf on the graph sheet. Now count the number of whole squares enclosed within the outline of the leaf. Take it as M. Then count the number of squares that are more than half. Take it as n. Next, count the number of squares which are half of a whole square. Now note it to be p. Finally, count the number of squares that are less than half. Let it be q. Now approximate area of the leaf can be calculated using the following formula. Approximate area of the leaf equal to m plus 3 by 4 n plus n plus 1 by 2 p plus 1 by 4 q square centimeter. This formula can be calculated the area of the irregular shaped figures, plane figures. This first detail complete ஆயிருக்கு. Again second detail. How will you determine the density of a stone using a measuring jar? Take a stone and weight it, let it be m. Take a measuring cylinder and pour some water into it. Do not fill the cylinder completely. Note down the volume of water from the readings of the measuring cylinder. Take it as V1, volume 1. Now take a small stone and tie it with a thread. Immerse the stone inside the water by holding the thread. This has to be done such that the stone does not touch the wall of the measuring cylinder. Now the level of water has raised. Note down the volume of water and take it as V2. The volume of the stone is equal to the raise in the volume of water. Volume of the stone V2 minus V1. Density of stone can be calculated using the formula density equal to mass by volume. Density of the stone m by mass by volume 2 minus volume 1. So உங்களுக்கு first 7th standard scienceல first chapter measurementல book back answers எல்லாம் பார்த்தாச்சு. இந்த சேனல் பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.